Welcome to the PANTHER trial, which could help how we treat critically ill patients in intensive care. Many hospitals are involved in research to find better treatments for serious health conditions. PANTHER is one of these research trials, vital for improving treatments for patients. We're asking you if you'd like to be involved in this study. If you're too unwell, we'll ask a friend or relative if you'd like to take part. This video describes what's involved. Patients in intensive care often face life-threatening conditions or pandemic infections which can cause difficulties with breathing and may need support from a breathing machine. Sadly, there are currently no proven medicines to treat critically ill patients with lung problems, but together we can change that. Through research, we've discovered that critically ill patients fall into groups that may respond differently to treatments. By studying these groups, PANTHER aims to identify the right medicines that work best for each patient. PANTHER is a platform trial. This means you can test multiple treatments at the same time. Medicines that help are continued, those that do not are stopped. New treatments can even be added along the way. The trial will run in up to 70 hospitals globally. If you, your relative or friend takes part in this study, a blood sample will be taken to work out which group a patient belongs to. Treatments will be assigned randomly by a computer. This means people are put into categories by chance to ensure fair comparisons. We may collect a nasal swab, some additional blood and lung fluid samples. We'd also like to ask some questions on well-being and mobility whilst in hospital. 3 and 6 months later, we may check in again and provide some questionnaires to complete. Questionnaires will either be completed on the phone or by email if preferred. This will help us understand the long-term impact of the treatments. Taking part in the study may or may not help the person taking part, but it will help us learn more about the best treatments for people who have the same illness or condition. If you say yes to this study, we will provide you with a participant information sheet and consent form to show you're happy to take part in this research. Deciding to participate is entirely up to you. Whether you say yes or no to the study, you will still receive the best care the hospital can give. If you agree, you can change your mind at any time. We encourage you to ask your research nurse or doctor about any questions you might have. If your relative or friend was not able to give their opinion initially, once they're well enough, they will be asked if they wish to continue in the study, and they can say yes or no. Every step of PANTHER is reviewed by an independent committee to ensure it's safe and ethical. Your participation could help transform treatment for critically ill patients. Ready to make a difference? Talk to a research nurse today. Learn more and keep up to date at www.panthertrial.org.uk. Together, let's improve healthcare for everyone.